This pretty pink makeup look is inspired by cute soft girls. Let's get started. So first I'm going to moisturize my face and lips using Vaseline and Root Skin. Now time to primer face using Makeup Revolution Star Primer. Time to conceal those imperfections. After concealer, I'm using BB Cream by Maybelline New York. And time to blend. Using this beige white shade as a base. And time for the eyeshadows to pop. Adding some sparkly shadows. Now using black eye pencil to awaken those eyes of mine. This is the most hardest part of makeup. Trust me, guys. So I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love, that's all. Curl those lashes. Yeah, girl. Now generously coat your eyelashes with mascara to give them fuller look. Time for my eyebrows to be done. Now it's time for lip color. First I will moisturize my lips, then tinted lip balms by e.l.f. And the same shade of red would be used on my cheeks as well. For rosy pink cheeks, here I'm using NYX Lingerie Sweet Cheeks so that I can achieve that pretty pink look just like the soft girls. Lip time again! So here I'm using a bit of concealer for that gradient effect. Alright, let's mattify. Here I'm using baking powder to get the job done. Using this pretty pale champagne color to highlight my nose bridge, cupid's bow, and cheekbones. Voila, done! Give this video a thumbs up if you really like this and enjoy it. Thanks for watching and bye guys!